In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Steam games keep crashing on your Windows computer. Now, there is no one magic fix that will work for everyone, so you will need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. So the very first thing we're going to do is head over to our Start menu, and we need to search for Device Manager, and then just head over to the Device Manager tab. From this list, we need to come down to Display Adapters and expand this, and you need to locate your graphics card inside of here. I'm running this AMD graphics card here, so we're just going to right click on our graphics card and select Update Driver. Now press Browse My Computer for drivers, and we need to select this option down here where it says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and once again just select your graphics card from this list, click on Next, and this will install the latest drivers to your device. So once you've successfully done that, we can then head out of these windows, and we're then going to come back over to the Start menu, and this time search for Settings and then tap on the Settings icon. From the left hand side here, scroll all the way down to Windows Update, and you should have a Check for Updates button here. So just select this button and ensure you're running the latest version of Windows, as sometimes outdated software can cause compatibility issues with our games. So once you've made sure you've installed any pending updates inside of here, we can then head out of this window, and we're then going to come over to our Steam application on our desktop and right click and come into Properties, and then head inside of the Compatibility tab, and just ensure Run this program as administrator, and also disable full screen optimizations are both ticked here, and then press Apply and OK. You then need to double click on Steam to launch up the application, and from here we're going to come inside of Library, and if you are experiencing issues with one particular game, then what I'd recommend is to come over to the game in this list on the left and right click on the game you're having issues with, come over to Properties, and then head into this Installed Files tab from the left, and we just need to press Verify Integrity of Game Files, and this is just going to scan through all of our core files just to ensure that everything's in order and nothing's damaged or corrupted. So once you've performed this check, we can then head out of this window, and you'll need to come over to Steam in the top left hand corner, inside of Settings, and we'll need to come over to this in-game section from the left and make sure to disable this option, enable the Steam overlay while in-game, and then we can head over to the Downloads tab from the left hand side, and we're going to press this Clear Download Cache button, and then we can just select Confirm, and this is going to restart your Steam application and may require you to log back in. Now the very last thing we're going to do before we try launching up our game is you need to come over to the Start menu, and we're going to search for CMD, and then right click on this command prompt and run as administrator. Inside of this window, we just need to type in sfc /scan now and hit enter, and this is going to scan all of your Windows system files, once again just to ensure that everything's in order. So you'll need to wait for this scan to get to 100%, and once that's completed, we can then head out of this window, and you're lastly going to come back over to the Start menu and search for Run, and head over to the Run app. From here, we just need to type in sysdm.cpl and hit enter. Come over to the Advanced tab, and then you'll see this section where it says Performance, and we need to hit Settings. Then under the Visual Effects tab, we have two options here. So you can either select Adjust for Best Performance, or what I'd recommend is to come down to this Custom option and to select the settings that I have enabled here. So basically you want everything unchecked and disabled, apart from animations in the taskbar, show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Everything else we can leave unchecked, and then press Apply and OK and head out of this window. You can then try launching up the Steam app, and you can try launching up your game to see if that's fixed the issue, and that should have fixed any crashing issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.